1, 2, 3, go! Today we're going to do a desk shelf. Vernal contacted me some time ago and they wanted collaboration with me, and I just replied 2 days after saying, okay, let's do it. And they never responded me back. So because of that, and because desk shelves are extremely stupidly expensive, I'm going to make my own. So what I'm going to do is, because I have a desk behind me with 1 meter and 40 centimeters wide, I don't want a very large desk shelf. So I'm using 80 centimeters long, and I'm going to use this beam to use as a footrest for the desk shelf. And it's going to look really awesome because it's going to match this wood here behind me and all the worm that I have in my office area. So let's do it. So to start, what I'm going to do is leave 5 centimeters here and 2 centimeters here. So this is going to look like this, okay? This is going to look like this with 5 centimeters from the end of the shelf and 2 centimeters from this end. And because of the shelf having 80 centimeters and 20 centimeters deep, and that's the reason why that is because my desk isn't that long. It has 60 centimeters or so. So I'm going to occupy 20 centimeters and I'll have 40 centimeters to work with because my office area isn't that big. So yeah, let's see how it gets. So let's do it. So the first step, let me grab a marker. So the first step that we're going to do is mark 16 centimeters here. So we're going to make 16 centimeters plus 16 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to use this end and that end because it's really well cutted, and that's going to be the front of the shelf, so it's going to look really nice. So before we cut the beam, I'm going to put a painter's tape, and I'm going to use a jigsaw instead of a handsaw because it's going to be a lot faster. So let's put this in the markers around it like this, and the same thing in this side. You can cut it now like so, right? So good. Let's cut it. Okay, so as you can see, it's already cut it. It does look really bad because my jigsaw, it's not really great, but this is the back part, so it doesn't matter. It's going to look really nice like this. And now what I'm intending to do is to do some holes here, and then use this little piece, cut it into pieces, and use them as connectors, okay, to put all the pieces together. So let's do that now. And if you're a DIYer, this is good enough for you. Okay, so let's put 5 centimeters here, and now 2 centimeters, and now another 2 here. Here the same thing, 5 centimeters right here, and now 5 centimeters here. I should do this with a pencil, but I don't have one. That's how I do things. I'm so DIY that I don't even have a freaking pencil. I have to buy one. Okay, there. Now another one here. So this is just marks. Okay, now we're going to see what's the rougher part that goes between the shelf and the support. So in my case, in this case, this looks bad and looks worse than this part. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to use painter's tape again, like so. Okay. I'm going to draw the holes, and then I'm going to transfer that hole to the shelf. Okay, so let's do that now. Let's do this in this one. I have to cut them, but so far it's great like that. And now this one looks good in the both part, so I'm going to use this one like so. It's good. Okay, nice. Okay, so now let's mark the end, and the end it's here, right? I really just need this 1 and 2. So we have the mark for the hole, another one here, and then I'll transfer to this side. Okay, so yeah, let's mark it with this. Okay, so put it in the center, one, and another here. Okay, so it's marked. Now we can take it, right? And it's beautiful. Okay, so it's marked. I can do the holes here, and now with this, right, let's put it right here. Let's see, it's almost there. So this probably can take a while. Okay, good. Okay, so now we do exactly the same thing. So let's see if it works. 1 and 2. Let's see. And it's beautiful. So now let's do the same thing in the other side. Okay, after doing this, what you can do as well is actually mark it. Put a 2 here and a 2 here for you to know that this side is for this side, this support is for this side, and that support is for that side. Okay, so now take this and align it again. Okay, so what I've done here is I chose a bit for a wood, and I put painter's tape here, and I cannot drill more than 1/2 centimeter here. So I'm going to try it out. It's my first time doing this and trying this kind of stuff, but I hope it works well. So let's do it. So we have the marks. Let's put it as straight as possible. Let's do the other side. Do the 4 sides first, and then do the supports, because you have already the measure, so it's easier. Okay, clean the area. Vacuum really well inside the hole because you're going to use it, so makes sense, right? Okay, so now what we have to do is take this off and do the other mark. So from here, right, 2 centimeters. Now just give a big hug around the drill bit. Okay, so let's put it in. Okay, I think it's in the max. Okay, like this. Now we're going to just mark half of centimeter. Okay, like this. Now we're going to do this to all of the holes, and then we'll fix them all in place, hopefully. So let's do it. Try to hold it really hard to be straight. And it's done. Okay, let's see if it fits. It's good. Try to put the straighter one. Yeah. Okay, all of them are really nice and tight. All of them. So this is going really well so far. So this one is the one. So let's try to put it inside here. Nice. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And I can tell you, the line that I draw here, it's like parallel. So it's beautiful. And they don't need glue even. So that's a plus for me. I'm sorry, but I really get really content when I do things right at first, and this one was really at first. And as you can see, isn't that hard to do a fucking shelf for your desk. Okay, so let's take the keyboard and the mouse aside, the tablet as well, and put this bad boy in place. I have to adjust all of this, but man, I think it looks beautiful. Okay, so the goal now is to do this. Let me show you. So this has a little bit of glue still from other experiences that I've done. So I want to put this like this. The cable runs below it, and the iPhone, it's going to look like this. Tell me, this is actually awesome or not? So yeah, so this is the first part of the build with the tablet like this. I probably can put it like this as well. The dimensions of the desk shelf are awesome. Even the height between the actually desk and the shelf, it's awesome. The iPhone looks great. The iPad will look awesome as well. Really nice. So now I'm probably going to do some more things in it, but that is going to be for another video. So let me know in the comments below what you think about my desk shelf. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments, subscribe and like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.